How to fix fast charging not working in Samsung phone. Tell everybody if you're having that kind of issue. You may follow up this process in order to fix it. So for that, what you can do is you can directly head over to your device's main settings and then open it up. And once you open it up from the given options on your settings, you may scroll down and look for the section of battery and device care. Look for this option, navigate to it and tap on it. Once you head over to battery and device care here, it will show you different options. So you can head over to your battery and tap on it. And once you head over to battery, you can look for your fast charging option. If you can't find it here, head over, scroll down and look for charging settings. And then once you go to charging settings, we have this option of fast charging. So if this option is turned off, it will slow charge. So all you gotta do is simply tap on it and connect your charger, and you should be finding the fast charging happening on your device. And that's it. So that is it for now. You may also follow the same process. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.